Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to teleport to Alliance Rise of Kingdoms full guide. To teleport to your Alliance and Rise of Kingdoms, first locate your Alliance on the world map. You can make this easier by using the Alliance filter to pinpoint its exact location. Once you know where to go, return to your city and look for the arrow next to the VIP button. This opens the city management menu. Here, you can access teleport items to move your city close to your alliance. Keep in mind, teleporting isn't allowed while engaging in battles. Alternatively, you can purchase teleportation items directly from the shop. Standard teleportation costs 150 alliance coins, while targeted teleport costs 300,000 resources. Once you have the item, navigate to your inventory under Other Options, select the teleport, and your city will instantly relocate near your alliance, making coordination and support much easier. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.